The digestive system is a complex system responsible for the breakdown and absorption of food, as well as the elimination of waste materials from the body. It consists of a series of organs and structures that work together to process food and extract nutrients. Let's explore the components and functions of the digestive system in more detail. Mouth. The digestion process begins in the mouth, where food is mechanically broken down by chewing and mixed with saliva. Saliva contains enzymes that start the chemical breakdown of carbohydrates. Esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. It moves food from the mouth to the stomach through rhythmic contractions called peristalsis. Stomach. The stomach is a muscular organ that stores and further breaks down food. It secretes gastric juices containing enzymes and hydrochloric acid, which help break down proteins and kill bacteria. The stomach also mixes food with these juices to form a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. Small intestine. The small intestine is the primary site for digestion and absorption of nutrients. It consists of three parts: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The small intestine receives digestive enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver to break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Nutrients are then absorbed into the bloodstream through the small intestine's lining. Liver. The liver plays a vital role in digestion. It produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine to aid in the digestion and absorption of fats. The liver also detoxifies harmful substances and metabolizes nutrients. Pancreas. The pancreas is both an endocrine and exocrine gland. As an exocrine gland, it produces and releases digestive enzymes into the small intestine to break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. As an endocrine gland, it secretes insulin and glucagon, which regulate blood sugar levels. Large intestine, colon. The large intestine receives the remaining undigested food material from the small intestine. It absorbs water and electrolytes from the waste material, forming feces. Beneficial bacteria in the colon also help ferment undigested fiber and produce certain vitamins, such as vitamin K and some B vitamins. Rectum and anus. The rectum is the final section of the large intestine where feces are stored before elimination. The anus is the opening through which feces are expelled from the body during defecation. The digestive system is regulated by a complex network of nerves, hormones, and feedback mechanisms. It ensures that the body receives the necessary nutrients for energy, growth, and repair while eliminating waste materials. Proper nutrition, a balanced diet, and healthy lifestyle choices are essential for maintaining a well-functioning digestive system.